morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Taco Tuesday, but not here. Nope. Tacos do sound good though. Last night, Robin came over after work and we had a wonderful dinner and a wonderful time together. Being St. Patrick's Day, I prepared corned beef, colcannon, and carrots and peas. The carrots and peas I added after I did yesterday's video. I just felt we needed another vegetable. It was good. Great. I will get everything posted up. I hope you all enjoyed your St. Patrick's Day. Tonight, I'm doing Creamy Cajun Chicken Pasta. Oh, this looks good. Let's go. Couple Dutch ovens, one for the pasta, one for the chicken itself. Yep, they just came off the drying rack. All right, I'm using chicken breasts. I got these on sale. That's why I'm using chicken breasts. Simple dish. Basically the chicken, some onion, garlic. You gotta have garlic. The recipe technically calls for cherry tomatoes. I'm actually going to be using a Roma or two. Diced up, some kosher salt, of course, black pepper, some pumice olive oil. Again, the recipe calls for something different like linguine or fettuccine. I'm going bow tie. I love bow tie pasta. Some chicken stock, some heavy cream. I'll be using the Casual Chef Cajun seasoning blend, some Parmesan cheese, and some chopped up parsley, Italian style flat leaf. So there's the goodies for tonight's meal. I will definitely get these recipes posted up for you. It was an excellent meal. Looks beautiful. So yeah. So on this Tuesday, this Taco Tuesday, and if you're doing tacos, definitely try to go to your favorite taqueria. They are the best. Or your favorite street vendor, if you have them. All right. Have a great day. Eat great food. And have fun cooking.